This video is sponsored by Casio Malaysia.
Hi everyone, I'm Miss Shirley and welcome back to my channel. Do you know the difference between original and fake Casio calculator? A genuine Casio calculator is obviously of high quality. The hard case slides on easily and the edge around the calculator is curved and smooth. Most importantly, the buttons are more sensitive when you press it and all the functions are working properly as expected. You don't want to risk getting the wrong answers for your exam, right? In this video, I'll be teaching you on how to solve questions using Casio calculator for additional mathematics. As for the materials, I've inserted the link in the description below. You may download it and print it out for your own self-practice if you want to. For those who still haven't gotten this calculator yet, don't fret. You may still learn from this video. At the end of this video, if you wish to buy this calculator, I will show you how to buy it from Shopee Casio official store. Alright, let's get started.
In this video, you will learn about laws of indices, evaluate expressions involving indices, simplifying surds, and solving problems involving indices and surds using SPM Trial exam questions. I will also show you how to use the Casio Classwiz calculator to double-check your answer and to get your answer fast and accurate. What are indices? Indices is a number that can be written in index form, which is a power n. So a is the base and n is the index or the power. Okay, so let's look at these laws of indices. So a power m times a power n is equals to a power m plus n. So if it's times, when we want to combine under one base, we plus the power. Therefore b, a power m divided by a power n is equals to a power n minus n. So if it's divide, when we want to combine under one base, we minus the power, m minus n. And for c, a to the power of m, then whole thing to the power of n will be a power mn. Then for d, ab whole thing to the power of n, so a to the power of n times b to the power of n. Then for e, a over b whole thing power n, so a to the power of n over b to the power of n. Okay, means top and bottom also have to power n. Evaluate each of the following expressions. So first we see the question, we look at the base 2, base 8 and base 64. So all these three bases can be changed to smaller base, which is base 2. So equals, so 2 power 4 times, so 8 is 2 power 3 whole thing to the power of negative 1 divided by 64 is 2 power 6 whole thing to the power of half. So equals to 2 power 4 then times 2 power negative 3 divided by 2 power, so 6 times half is 3. Okay, so now all the bases are the same, right? We can plus or minus the power. So 2, okay, so 4. So because it's times, we plus the power. Because it's divide, we minus the power, okay? So become 2, 4 minus 3, then minus 3. Okay, so 2, 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. So it's equals to 1 over 2 square, which is equals to 1 over 4. So this is the answer for A. Okay, so now we're going to use the Casio Classwiz calculator to double check our answer. Okay, first we press 2, then to the power of 4, and go to the right, then times 8, then to the power of negative 1, then go to the right, then divide 64, then to the power of half. Okay, then we press equals. So our answer is 1 over 4. So it means that our answer is correct. Let's solve for B. So first we look at the base, 12 and 18. So this one, for the first one, okay, the 12 we can split it up into 3 times 4, which is 3 times 2 square, power 3, 1 over 3. Then times with, this one will be 2 times 9. So 2 times 3 square is 9. So to the power of negative 2 over 3. Okay? So now, each one we have to power 1 over 3. So become 3, 1 over 3. Okay, 3 power 1 over 3 times, this is 2 power 2 over 3. And then times, this is 2 power negative 2 over 3. Then times, this is 3 power negative 4 over 3. Okay, So now we're going to put the same bases together, the like base. The base 2 will be 2, so 2 over 3. Then we plus with negative 2 over 3. Okay, then after that we times with 3, 1 over 3. Then we plus with negative 4 over 3. Okay, we put them together. Yeah, base 2 and base 3. So this one will be 2 over 3 minus 2 over 3 is power 0. Then this one will be 3 power. So 1 over 3 minus 4 over 3 is negative 1. So this will be 2 power 0 is 1. And then 3 power negative 1 is 1 over 3. So the answer is 1 over 3. Okay, so now we double check our answer using the Casio Classwiz calculator. So we press 12 to the power of 1 over 3, 1 over 3. Then we go to the right. Okay, so times with 18. Then to the power of negative 2 over 3. Then we press equals. So we get 1 over 3. So this is to confirm that our answer is 100% correct. Let's solve question from Terengganu Trial 2019, Paper 1, Question 8. And this question is 3 marks. Okay, so first we look at the base. We have base 2, base 16, and base 4. So all these 3 bases can be changed to base 2. So we can 2 power x over, so 16 is 2 power 4, whole thing to the power of x minus 1 equals to 1 over, so 4 is 2 square, which is 2 times 2 power 2x. Okay, so this one, the bottom one, I'm going to expand this. So 4x minus 4 equals to this one. I bring it up, so become power negative 2x. Okay, so 2 power x minus 4x, then minus 4, minus 4 be plus 4 equals to 2 power negative 2x. Okay, so now since the 2 bases are the same, left and right, we can compare the power. So x minus 4x then plus 4 equals to negative 2x. Okay, this is negative 2. So this is negative 3x plus 4 equals to negative 2x. So the negative 3x, I move over to the right hand side, become negative 2x plus 3. Okay, plus 3x, so we get x equals to 4. Okay, so this is our answer. So now I'm going to show you how to double check our answer using the Casio Classwiz calculator. Okay, so first you press the fraction button and then 2 power x, then go down, so 16, then power x minus 1, so x minus 1. Okay, then you go to the right. So you want to press the equals, you don't press the equals at the bottom. You're going to use the alpha, then calculate. You see the alpha red color, and then the equal sign at the calculate there, red color. Okay, then after that, fraction again. On the right hand side got fraction, so 1 over, so the bottom one is 4 power x, so 4, and then power, and then x. Okay, then after that, you don't go and press equals, you're going to press shift calculate, which is shift solve. Okay, so shift and then you solve it. Okay, so you get x is equals to 4. So confirm that our answer is correct. Let's solve Melaka Trial 2021 question, which is paper 2, question number 7. Solve the equation 5 power 2x minus 5 power x plus 1 equals to 50, and this is 3 marks. Okay, first we're going to write down the question. 5 power 2x minus 5 power x plus 1 equals to 50. So I'm going to write this as 5 power x, and then we bring out the 2, then minus. This is 5 power x times with 5 power 1 equals to 50. So this 50, I'm going to bring it over to the left hand side. Okay, so I'm going to become minus. Okay, so I'm going to bring it over. So become minus 50 equals to 0. Okay, so this one you see a 5x, and here also we have 5 power x. Okay, so I'm going to let y to be 5 power x. Okay, so become y squared minus 5y minus 50 equals to 0. And then we factorize it into 2 brackets equals to 0. So y, and then here is 10, here is 5, here is minus, and here is plus. Okay, so therefore y is equals to 10 and negative 5. But negative 5 is rejected because later we're going to use logarithm. So logarithm, there's no negative. Okay, so when y is equals to 10, so 5 power x is equals to 10. So we want to find x, we use logarithm. Okay, so use logarithm. So here will be log at both sides, so be x logarithm. Okay, log 5 equals to log 10. Okay, so x is So log 10 is equals to 1. Then over log 5, press the calculator. So log base 10. And then here is 5. So equals, so this is 0.699. Okay, we round up. So 0.699. So 1 divided by the answer. So we'll get 1.431. Okay, so 1.431. So this is the answer. Now I'm going to show you how to get your answer in less than 1 minute by using the Casio Classwiz calculator. So 5 to the power of 2x, then minus 5 to the power of x plus 1, and then go to the right, okay, and then press alpha, calculate, means equals 250. Okay, then press shift solve, then you get the answer 1.431. That's the answer. It's actually less than 30 seconds you can get the answer. For simplifying surds, we need to know how to rationalize a denominator. Okay, so this one is to convert the surd denominator to a rational number. So for an expression with a denominator in the form of m surd a plus minus n surd b, where m and n are integers, rationalizing the denominator is done by using conjugate surds. Okay, so the product of a pair of conjugate surd, product means times together, will produce a rational number. Okay, so I'm going to use question 1 and question 2 to show you an example. Before I start showing you the answer for question 1, I want you to understand that, okay, if, for example, like a minus b or a plus b times with a minus b, okay, is actually equals to a square minus b square. Okay, so please memorize this one, yeah, because it will help you in simplifying surds and also when you want to times with the conjugate surd. Okay, so let's look at question number 1. So this one is easy, 2 surd 5 plus 2 surd 3. Then in the second bracket is 2 surd 5 minus 2 surd 3. Can you see the pattern is very similar to this? Okay, so now we're going to solve this. So 2 surd 5 is the A. Then this will be the B. And this is the A and this is the B. Right? This plus, this minus. Right? Okay? In bracket. Yeah, so it will be 2 surd 5 whole thing square minus 2 surd 3 whole thing square. Okay, so it's equals to, so this is 2 square is 4. Surd 5 times surd 5, you will get back the inside one, which is 5. Then this one will be 2 square will be 4. Surd 3 times surd 3 is 3. Okay, so it will be 20 minus 12 is equals to 8. So this is the answer for question number 1. So now let's solve for question number 2, okay? Okay, so for this, we are going to use the conjugate surd. Okay, so the bottom one, okay, is surd 3. So we wanted to make sure that the bottom one is a rational number. So I'm going to times with surd 3, top and bottom. Okay, so 5 surd 3 over surd 3 times surd 3, you get 3. And this is the answer. So we straight away can get the answer already. Okay, so let's say if I want to double check my answer for question 1 using the Casio Classwiz calculator. So I'm going to use bracket 2 and then surd 5. Okay, then after that go to the right and then plus 2 surd 3. Okay, and then go to the right, then close bracket and then open bracket 2, then surd 5, then go to the right, then minus 2, and then surd 3. Okay, then go to the right and then close bracket. Okay, and then after that we're going to solve. Okay, so equals to, so the answer is 8. So confirm that our answer is correct. Okay, so let's say for question number 2 is 5 surd 3, right? Okay, so you can also get the answer from using the Casio Classwiz calculator. So you just press 5. Okay, this is a fraction, so 5 over surd 3. Okay, so you go to the right. Okay, now you press equals and see what you get. You see, 5 surd 3 over 3. So therefore, this is the final answer. Okay, let's look at question number 3. So 2 surd 3 over surd 3 plus surd 2, okay? So equals to, so for this one, we're going to use conjugate surd. 2 surd 3 over surd 3 plus surd 2, then times with, so if this is plus, then here will be minus. So surd 3 minus surd 2 over surd 3 minus surd 2, okay? So equals to, so 2 surd 3 times with surd 3 minus surd 2. Then for the denominator, then it will be surd 3 whole thing square minus surd 2 whole thing square. Okay, so equals to, so we're going to expand this bracket at the numerator. So 2 Surd 3 times Surd 3, it will be 6. Okay, 2 times 3 is 6. Then minus 2 times, so Surd 3 times Surd 2 is actually Surd 6. Okay, then over, the bottom will be 3 minus 2. So equals to 6 minus 2 Surd 6. Okay, so 3 minus 2 is 1. So this is the answer. Now I'm going to show you how to use the Casio Classwiz calculator to get your answer. So first you press the fraction button, then 2 Surd 3, then go down, then Surd 3, okay, then go to the right, plus, then Surd 2, okay, then you go to the right, then you press equals, then you get 6 minus 2 Surd 6, and that's the answer. Let's look at this question from Sabah Trial SPM 2021, Paper 1, Question 4, and this is 3 marks. Rationalize the denominator and simplify. Okay, so for this one, Surd 8 plus 2 over 1 minus Surd 2. So for the second fraction, we have to use the conjugate surd. So we times 1 plus Surd 2 over 1 plus Surd 2. Okay, so we're going to solve this. So this one, Surd 8 is actually Surd, okay, 2 times 4. Okay, so this 4, so plus, so this one will be, we times together, so 2 times 1 plus Surd 2 over, this is 1 square minus Surd 2 whole thing square. Okay, so we use the square bracket. So equals, so this one will be Surd 4 and then times Surd 2, then plus, so this one will be 2 plus 2 Surd 2 over, so 1 minus 2 is negative 1. So equals, so this is 2 Surd 2, because square root of 4 is 2, then after that minus, so this will be 2, then minus 2 Surd 2. Okay, so 2 Surd 2, then minus 2 Surd 2, you get 0, so the answer is negative 2. Now I'm going to show you how to get your answer by using the Casio Classwiz calculator. So you press Surd 8 and go to the right, then you plus, so fraction, so the 2 is on top, and then the bottom is 1 minus Surd 2. Okay, then you go to the right, and then you press equals, so you get negative 2. So confirm that your answer is correct. Let's look at this question from Terengganu Trial SPM 2021 paper, Paper 1, Question 3, and this is 3 marks. So simplify 2 plus Surd 3 over 2 minus Surd 3. So for the first fraction, we have to times with the conjugate surd, top and bottom, with 2 plus Surd 3, top and bottom, okay? So minus 2 over Surd 3. So for the second fraction, we have to times Surd 3, top and bottom. Okay, let's solve this. So 2 times, I'm going to write back the question. Okay, so equals to, so 2 plus Surd 3 over 2 minus Surd 3. So the conjugate surd is 2 plus Surd 3. Because the denominator is minus, so we have to times with the plus, okay? Then minus 2 over Surd 3. So times Surd 3, top and bottom. Top and bottom, okay? So equals to, so this will be 2 plus Surd 3 whole thing square. Then the bottom one is 2 square minus Surd 3 square. So it will be 4 minus 3. Then here will be 2 Surd 3 over Surd 3 times Surd 3, you get 3. Okay? So for this one, so you will get 4, we expand the top plus 4 Surd 3, then plus 3. Okay, then over 1. Then minus, this is 2 Surd 3 over 3. Okay, so the top here will be 7 plus 4 Surd 3. So we want to make the denominators between the two fractions are the same. So we have to times 3 here, and then we have to times 3 the whole thing here, okay? So it become 3 like that. Yep, so minus 2 Surd 3, then the whole thing over 3. Okay, so let's solve this. So this one will be times inside. Okay, so we get 21, then plus 12 Surd 3, then minus 2 Surd 3, whole thing over 3. Okay, let me push this up. Okay, so now what we can simplify? Okay, see 12 Surd 3 minus 2 Surd 3. Okay, we can do this. So it's equals to 21 plus 10 Surd 3. over 3. And this is the final answer. Now I'm going to show you how to use the Casio Classwiz calculator to get your answer. So first you press the fraction button. So 2 plus surd 3. Okay, then the bottom one will be 2 minus surd 3. You go to the right. Okay, so you minus. So fraction again. So this is 2 over surd 3. Okay, press right, then you get the answer. 21 plus 10 surd 3 over 3. And that's the answer.
Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching until the end, and I hope that you will benefit from this video, especially on how to use the Casio calculator to get your answers fast and accurate. If you have decided to buy this calculator, I will walk you through on how to buy it from Shopee.
First, you click on the Shopee link in the description below using your computer or mobile app. If you're using a computer, you will see this page. The price shown is based on the latest price, and it depends on when you click on the link. Sometimes the price can be lower and sometimes can be higher. You also get an exclusive free gift from Casio, which may also change from time to time. You also get free shipping, whereby the item will be sent directly to your house. Just make sure that you buy from Casio.os, which is Casio official store, to avoid any counterfeits.
Oh yeah! Don't forget to use the discount vouchers from Shopee, yeah? Till we meet again in the next video. Bye!